Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Xiaomi Redmi A1 mobile phone. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the cover from the body. Next, remove the logic port cover by undoing 11 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, pull out the battery from the body. First, release two adhesive tabs on the battery and gently extract adhesive from each side. If the pull tabs get damaged, gently use a pry tool to pull out the battery. This process takes time, so handle the phone carefully while pulling out the battery. Next, pull out the logic board by disconnecting the antenna head and LCD plug. Next, pull out the earpiece speaker using a tweezer. Next, take out the power volume flex by applying some heat. Gently use a tweezer to separate the flex from the frame. Next, take out the bottom cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect the LCD plug from the board and gently pull out the charging and headphone board with the antenna. Next, take out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. When selecting a replacement screen, there are several options available. The most common choice is the original size pack screen, which comes with the frame for easy installation. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but the installation process is more complex and time consuming. Additionally, there are durability issues. Also, there are refurbished, used and aftermarket screens available with and without frame. For an easier repair process, I recommend choosing a screen with the frame installed. Whether it's original, refurbished, used or aftermarket, this option is widely available and simplifies installation and durability. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, place and secure the button flex on the frame. Next, secure the earpiece. Next, place and secure the logic board, and then fasten the LCD connector and ensure all components are securely placed. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, place and secure the charging and headphone board. Next, fasten the LCD plug and secure the antenna in the frame slot, and then connect to the logic board. Next, secure the cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery with adhesive. Next, fasten the battery connector. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clip securely. Also, remember to insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.